Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baru kini gilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ha ga jingshong cabinet jing ka Sorkar MDA ka shimbat bin scam ban Pynduh pendamno ek International Open University Repeal Bill 2026 ka bam treikam shu bam dan jingmut ong menteri katnat ka koi ka kya bat nong aiktin ka Sorkar MDA uma wilat mi kishla. Kayong darbar thawaan ka jalak la manjuri kaAiñ ban seng ni ka university na du usnem arajar khatwei hendrai kinong penyat kem syam la shimi ki sinjam ki bashai ban seng bat pelong ya ka university ka treikam wat hadin bala palat ship usnem umashilaw la pentip baha usnem arajar arpu ar ka tu ka ningut ki briu kilawan shakmat da ka bakam baki don ka power of attorney hendrai hadin kata klami ka jingya ka ja hapreng kinong penyat ka bala pelong ya ka university ban omna treikam Kakinhun Menteri Kelalap Ru baka kerteng International Open University kam ya hab di kendon ki batrai kam kajing penan kam ni ka kentien International kam long ka badai kat ba kanu ka jaka puli kam la batrai kam kum ka Open University klam da pendep iki kendon belabu da ka UGC hadin bela bishare ka jing bamla ka sengi ka university ka jingye ka ja hapdeng kinong penyat baki jingye ki biade baki kinhun UGC ka kinhun Menteri Kelarai ban pendam no ikaan bela menjur ha usnem arajar khatwei Ya baru Andrew Bill on Sawanra Ahmad Kaying Darbar Thawaan ke Meghalaya Hakadarbar Panwan.
Very good morning to all of you. So I'm here to brief on the agendas of today's cabinet meeting held on the 19th August 2026 in the Chief Minister residence. So today we have 6 formal agendas discussed, and all 6 agendas are from the Education Department. And mostly these are bills. All are bills actually. 3 are amendment. 2 are new bills to be placed in the house, and 1 is the repeal. The number 1 is Maharashtra Institute of Technology. Maharashtra Institute of Technology of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2026. Here is in the original bill is that the visitor is usually in the original bill is decided by the sponsoring body, which is like but in all other university the visitor is it's usually used to be the governor. So we are just amending it according to with as per UGC norm, and also as per the act, which is at par with all the other university in our state. That is number 1. Number 2 is that the board of management, we are increasing the member of the representative from the government in the board of management from 1 to 2, and from in the board of governor from 2 to 3. That is the amendment in the first agenda, that is the Maharashtra Institute of Technology of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2026. Number 2 is Mahatma Gandhi University Amendment Bill 2026. This also same thing, because these 2 universities are like the only university in our state which have followed this in their original act. That is like I already mentioned, the number 1 is like the visitor is used to be decided by the sponsoring body, but now we have amended it that the governor will be the visitors in this university, and the number 2 that the increase of the number of board of management and board of governors. Number 3 is the Martin Luther Christian University Amendment Bill 2026. This also we are following according to the UGC regulation. That is number 1, because right now this in the present act, the Martin Luther Christian University can function outside the Meghalaya, but as you all know that the state legislature cannot give permission to outside the jurisdiction of the state. So that's why that is number 1. We are limiting the Martin Luther Christian University within Meghalaya. That is number 1. Number 2 is like in their original act they have a clause mentioning that it is they have this distant education, which is like it is not allowed in the private university. That is also we are doing away with it, the distant education. And number 3 is that the affiliating the college. In the present act, the Martin Luther Christian Christian University can affiliate college but which is not allowed as per UGC norm. So that's why that also we are doing away. We are not allowing that the affiliation of the college. So this is with the Martin Luther Christian University Amendment Bill. And the fourth and fifth one are the new bill. The fourth are Sister Nivedita University Meghalaya Bill 2026. This is a new university which have come forward for approval and have brought the bill. This year will be in Birmingham. So this is a new bill. And the next one is the Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian University Meghalaya Bill 2026. This also a new bill, and this will be in Soyong, in Soyong. And the last one is the International Open University Repeal Bill 2026. So this act, they came to the state legislature. We passed it in 2011. But after 2011, then till 2022, nobody has come forward and they have not done anything. But after in 2022, some people have come forward with the power of attorney. But later on, we came to know that there is a conflict. And at the same time, we feel from the cabinet that, because if you see in the name itself, it is International Open University, which is like contradicting, which international words is there, and the other word is Open University, which is which is not allowed as per UGC norm. So that's why the cabinet feel that it's better in order to avoid any kind of problem in the future. So that's why we are repealing this bill. So these are the 6 agenda we discussed in the cabinet today.